Forever Aloe Body Lotion is truly remarkable. It hydrates deeply and nourishes your skin, leaving it feeling lightweight and refreshed.
I've been on the hunt for the perfect body lotion. Aloe Body Lotion is a game changer. It is packed with natural aloe vera, which is a total lifesaver for dry skin. You know that feeling when your skin just craves hydration? This lotion absorbs super quickly, so you are not left feeling greasy. It has a light, refreshing scent that is not overpowering, just a hint of nature. It makes you feel like you are pampering yourself. I love using it after a shower. It leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth all day long. If you spend time in the sun, aloe is known for its soothing properties. It is perfect for calming any sun-kissed skin. Honestly, it is like a little bottle of moisture magic. If you have not tried it yet, you are missing out on that silky, smooth skin we all want.